TikTok made me do it. A little bit different, a little bit not the same stuff. I saw Becca Bloom with a Spinelli ring, so I got a Spinelli ring. Time for another some unboxings. Not the same stuff. Let's do an unboxing. Ooh. Jewelry unboxing. This is a new brand and I just got it and I want to talk to you guys about it. So we'll talk about the brand and talk about the unboxing and yeah, jewelry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholique. And today we're doing a quick jewelry unboxing from this company, Spinelli Kilcollin. I saw Becca Bloom with a Spinelli Kilcollin ring, so I got a Spinelli Kilcollin ring. Becca Bloom made me do it. She made me do it. A jewelry company. And we're going to talk about it a little bit and do the unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. If you do get it, let me know. If you've had this brand before, let me know in the comments below. If you are interested, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Okay, this is a brand that I did not know about before. I was introduced to by Becca Bloom, who is this TikToker who has a very fabulous, lovely life. She's very sweet and cute. Go check her out. Just show like a little peek into her life. And she has very expensive, classy, elegant taste. And this is one of the rings that she wears on her everyday stack, I believe. Not this exact ring, this company. So I did a little research into it. It is their like link rings. So you can wear them double or triple or quadruple, or you can like kind of stack them on different fingers. And I did the research on this. It's a LA based, US based company. So maybe save from the tariffs and the price increases. Ethically sourced, locally sourced, low carbon, low like sustainability, like reusable materials where possible, fair wages, all those kind of things. It's very, you know, eco-friendly, environment friendly. That's the same thing. You know, whatever. You know what I mean. You get what I'm saying. So this is the ring. Don't need that. Comes with a little pouch. Cute. Comes with a little cleaning cloth. Cute. Comes with a little letter card from the team. Thank you so much for shopping with Spinelli. We are Pace is handmade here in downtown Los Angeles. We hope you love it. Dwyer, Kilcollin, Eve Spinelli, and the SK team. Okay. And then the ring. So it is a little munchkiny ring. So the ring. It is a 2 rings. Right there, connected by 2 little rings. 2 rings connected like that, okay? And you can wear it as a double ring, as so, with these hiding or showing, or some people put it to the side, and they kind of move around, so it just depends, but you can kind of like have them sit like that, or like that. Then you can also wear it the other way, obviously. You can wear it as such, where it's like, you know, they're connected, so it's 2 rings connected. You could probably just, if you want, take one off and kind of let it dangle. If you want to have a little like that kind of thing and wear it like that. Or the other way and have the other one dangle. You want to be a little less, you know, a little more subtle. Also, if you have very tiny fingers, you could gift it there. But also, I feel like you could also make it a little necklace and have it hang from the rings, from these. Or just one ring, kind of do a little hourglass thing there, or figure 8. Probably not. You can also wear it like that. If you had really thin glasses, you could probably like, you know. I wish you could twist it onto something. You can't do that, but anyway. Could be your glasses. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's all. That's it. Go check them out if you like it. It's a very cool company. Different, like I said, all LA based. And it feels like a family company, family jeweler company. So go check it out. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your exes. And every time is valuable and every time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. See you in the next one, baby. Bye. Yay, bye.